shit the fuck up, bro. Y'all asking me right now, bro. If nobody don't die in this bitch, they don't fuck with us. Y'all better jump when I say y'all tweet.
Jump to the music. YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV ski. You feel me? Good. It's about 9:20 in the morning. I'm God finna goddamn go pick my partner up. Hold on. That bit over real. Anyway, we on the way to pick my partner. We got a 15-minute drive out right now. You feel me? So shit, let's get it to it. Let's get down. Let's get to it. Let's get bulling. Enjoy the POV ski. That wide. Oh, hell no. What the hell is this? Oh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Y'all listen to the new 9 EP? The motherfucker kind of righteous.
To the free swing, we just go touch his head. Makeup on my face is white, now it's full bland. Then they kiss and fuck me, act like fan. Then they game for me, we got AIDS. I ain't signed that shit at 40, and then it's playing. My birthday party, Chris gotta call my man.
Let me show you how I do this motherfucker. Gotta hear that little shit. NASDAQ clap Nissan Z? That motherfucker sound nasty, fool. Yeah, don't straight pipe no VQ like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, that bitch sound like a bee sting. Yes, and alright. Shit, I really gotta go down and get auto over. We're downtown Atlanta, chat. I got a busted left. I don't think I was supposed to go that way. Yeah, I'm not. I am not, and I do not have any gas, buddy. But we in Peachtree. We in Peachtree, buddy. What a nice looking young gentleman. I think my screen, my brightness is, ooh, pretty. Archie. But I ain't gonna care. I think I'll stay downtown for real, like, shit smooth. Might have to stop and get gas. Where the fuck did I put my, did I not bring that bitch? I didn't bring that bitch. Okay, well. I'm gonna need gas, chat. What the fuck? I don't know. On your left? Smell good out there, big Bell Street burritos, goddammit. Palisades. The fuck? Anyways, let me get out of that shit. So it's gonna be on the left. Nah, facts. I gotta make a left too. But my left is If y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss the bitch. Can you stay still? So you never miss a new video, never miss a new vlog. The fuck is that?